Hello math students, this is Justin, and today we're going to learn how to place fractions on a number line. Now of course a fraction represents a part of a whole. So on this number line we have numbered from 0 to 1 to represent one whole. Now the first thing that you want to do is look at your number line, because often it's already divided up into a certain number of parts. And if I look at my tick marks here, I can see that my number line is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So that means that my number line is divided up into fourths, which is going to make it really easy to place this first fraction, which is 1/4. In other words, 1 part out of 4. So I'm just going to count out 1 part out of the 4, and that's going to tell me where to place the fraction. See, 1 part out of 4 is 1/4. So right there on the number line. It's closer towards 0 than it is to 1. Now the next number is 1/2. The fraction is 1/2. That means 1 part out of 2. And even though my number line is divided up into fourths, it's also divided up into halves, because if I look here, this is my first half, and then this is my second half. So I'm just looking either left or right of this middle tick mark, which divides my number line up into 2 parts. And so I want 1/2, which is 1 out of 2 parts. So I'm going to count out 1 out of 2 parts here. I'm ignoring this fourth tick mark, and that's 1/2. Now our next fraction is 5/8, which is 5 out of 8 parts. And if you look at your number line, it's divided up into 4 parts. It's not divided up into 8 parts. So that's a problem for me, except if I take each of these parts and divide them in half, like so, it's now dividing my number line up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. And so 5/8 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts out of 8. So it's going to be right here is 5/8. Now our next fraction is 5/6. 5 parts out of 6. And we have a problem here, because I can place halves, I can place fourths, I can place eighths, but 6, there's no way that these tick marks divide the number line up into 6 parts. So I'm going to have to add some whole new tick marks to get an idea of where 5/6 is going to be. And so I'm going to do that with the red tick marks here. Ignore the black tick marks for now, and see that the red tick marks divide the number line into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, and 5/6 goes at the 5th part out of 6, because 5/6 means 5 out of 6 parts, and so right there is 5/6. And that's easy, placing fractions on a number line.